everybody, it's me, Poppygaming, and today this is just a weird video. This is my face, by the way, so ignore how ugly I look. So today we'll be going to be doing a haul. So, because I've been to a really big shopping place here in England, and I got all loads of stuff. So today I'll be showing it with you guys. So let's get on with the video. First up are these slides, the holographic. I just wore them like right now because they're really cute. And these were only like $16 and pounds, which is really cheap for slides, which is amazing because I love slides. And the next thing is also these like kind of vans. So I'm just gonna show it. It's holographic. It's not really showing on, but you kind of see it kind of now because I'm right next to the sun. Like the camera is like, well, the camera is here and then the sun is like behind it, so it's kind of hard to know. But honestly, these are holographic, and they just have these cute little pattern inside the shoes. I also bought these sandals, which were £15 for my holiday because I'm going on holiday soon. So that is just cute. So the next thing I bought is currently on me. So if I just zoom back for a second, you can see these cute trousers. They're kind of flowy and also the t-shirt with it. I love this outfit. It's so comfy. So that's why and it looked so cute. So that's why I got it. Next thing was this water bottle from Smiggle because I love Smiggle. This was on offer. This was £10.80. It's just cute. The original price was £13.50. So this was £3.20 off. 30 off, I mean, sorry. I don't really know, but that is that. So the next thing is these Mickey Mouse, like kind of leggings. It says Mickey Mouse. I'll just put my arm through to show you. So it says Mickey, and it has Mickey Mouse all over there, and just the thing there, the logo of Mickey Mouse. This was only like £5 something because this was from H&M, which is amazing. Fold that back up. And to match with it, I've also got this jumper. It says Mickey. If I can, I'll just do this for you guys. Mickey on the hood, and it has little stripes at the bottom area bit, and Mickey Mouse on there. This was also from H&M, so that was really good. What else I bought? I also bought some more stuff, but I don't know. I also got a Starbucks, which was a double chocolatey chip frappuccino because I love their frappuccinos. Who can relate? I can. You also got the phone case. Let me just take it off. Ow. So here's the phone case. It's just sorry, someone's outside. There's ombre, so clear to pink. This was £3, which is amazing, and that is perfect quality. Has like little gems down the sides. So yeah. Put that back on charge because we need a charger 100%. I think that is for the haul, but I'll be talking to you guys about what we did first and last. So let me take a seat. I'm just going to put on the floor because I'm going to tidy up my room anyway. Ow, this is a new cat. So the first thing that we did was we drove. This was like 20 to 30 minutes because it is quite far from here. But the first thing we did is we got my money out. I had £90 to spend. I obviously spent all of it on day shopping, but it's a pretty good deal because I got a lot and I got a frappuccino. It can be quite expensive. Come on. So we went to New Look first because that was the closest shop. It was just like there was the cash point like there, and then New Look over there, like there. So we just went to New Look, and I brought them these two. Wait, stand up. So these shorts, which I love. Shorts, leggings. These are really good for the summer if you don't want it too loose. And that's what. And I also got these like accessory things, but I put them away safely in my jewelry box. But I won't be showing you that today. I'll be showing you my jewelry collection another day. So also I have been to try to think. So I went to H&M because for the jumper and the leggings. So it was really good. I got two things, as you could see in the haul if you watched it earlier, or you just did this part. And then I went to Smiggle get the water bottle. Sorry about my phone. Technical difficulties there. So got this. Wow, so this water bottle, and then next we went to Next. Right on right. Got the Vans. I hope you can still see them. If not, I will post a photo on my YouTube feed. These are £16. So I'm gonna use these a lot in the summer. It's really good here. And also got these slides because I need so much. So I'm gonna put them on me. That's one. These are a size 30, and I'm usually a size 12. Don't judge me. Sorry. Okay, and I also got these sandals. Wait, there we go. Sandals from Next. And these were this was £15. So there it goes. And also I went to the food court and I got a Burger King, which yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys with another gaming video. I promise you. Sorry about this because I just wanted to upload a haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.